Good morning, students. We are discussing the previous year's CET maths paper. So this is one of the example from the last year maths paper of CET. So sum is integration of 1 upon x square plus 1 whole square dx. And options are, first option is a tan inverse of x minus 1 by 2 times x inside the bracket x square plus 1 plus c. Second one is 1 by 2 tan inverse of x plus x upon 2 times x square plus 1 plus integrating constant. Third one is tan inverse of x plus x upon x square plus 1 plus c. And fourth one is tan inverse of x plus 1 by 2 times x square plus 1 plus integrating constant. Now, integration is very simple. First we have to check which type of example is this one. This is the substitution example. So we have to substitute something. Here we are going to substitute x equal to tan theta. Okay. Now we are converting x into x in the form of theta. So substitution is x equal to tan theta. Now what we need here, x square plus 1. Suppose we square this term, x square, and what is the squaring of this one? Tan square theta. Now what we need? 1. If we add here 1 plus 1. Okay. Now our denominator is here. X square plus 1 means tan square plus 1. So substitute this one. Now again one thing. We want this example in a simple form. So x square plus 1 equal to, we know the formula. According to that formula, what is the answer of this one? Tan square plus theta plus 1 means it is a sec square theta d theta. Okay. Sec square theta, sec square theta. Now, I don't want this dx here. So what I am going to do here? This is x equal to tan square theta. So what will be the derivative of this one? Dx equal to sec square theta d theta. Means if x is tan theta, dx is sec square d theta d theta. So substitute all these terms. So what is the integration? So 1 into dx means sec square theta d theta by this. Okay. Now look at the denominator. What is there? X square plus 1 square. Now x square plus 1 square means in the form of sec. What is it? Sec square theta and this square bracket square as it is. Okay. Now separate this term. Separate means split this term. Sec square theta d theta. We have to write in simple way. Sec square theta. Again sec square theta. So 1 sec square get cancelled. What is remaining? D theta upon sec square theta. Now as we know that 1 by sec theta means it is a cos theta, right? So write this problem in the form of cos theta. So what will be it? Integrating constant, integration sign, cos theta d theta. Okay. Now listen, 1 by sec theta means cos theta. Now here is sec square theta. So what will be this one? 1 by sec square means cos square theta d theta. Okay. Now we want to make this integration in simple way. So one formula I am going to use here. That one is integration of 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 d theta. Okay. So by putting this formula we are going to make our integration simple. इससे क्या होगा कि आपका जो इंटीग्रेशन है वो सिंपल हो जाएगा. So according to that, now take out this 1 by 2 outside. What is remaining? Integration inside the bracket 1 plus cos 2 theta d theta. Okay. Now integrate this term. So take the integration. What is the integration of this 1 by 2 as it is? Integration of 1 into d theta means integration of d theta. What is that? Theta. Now, what is the integration of cos 2 theta? What is the integration of cos 2 theta? Cos theta, that is sin theta. According to that, sin 2 theta by 2. 2 theta's derivative is there. Okay. Plus integrating constant. Now listen, what is the, after integrating what we got here, 1 by 2 theta sin 2 theta by 2 plus integrating constant. Now we want to resubstitute all the terms. Now look at the previous substitution. What is that? X equal to tan theta. X equal to tan theta. So what will be the theta? Theta, if we take this tan in on that side, so theta equal to tan inverse of x. Now resubstitute. Okay. After resubstituting, 1 by 2 as it is, theta means it is tan inverse of x, plus, now I want this sin 2 theta in terms of tan theta. There is one formula. Take this 1 by 2, sin 2 theta by 2, 1 by 2 outside. What is remaining there? Sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta formula in terms of tan theta. That one is 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Plus integrating constant. Now these two and these two get cancelled. Okay, what is remaining? Now 1 by 2 as it is. Instead of theta, after resubstitution we got here tan inverse of x plus, what is remaining here? Tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta plus integrating constant. Now 1 by 2 as it is, tan inverse of x as it is, plus, now look at the previous substitution. What is that? Tan theta means x. Here we have tan theta means x. So use that and resubstitute it. Tan theta means x upon 1 plus x square plus integrating constant. Now look at our options. So options are these. What why we don't have there 1 by 2, so multiply throughout by 2. Okay, so these 2 and 1 by 2 get cancelled. What is remaining? Tan inverse of x plus x upon 1 plus x square plus 2c. 2c means it is integrating constant. C is also integrating constant. If we multiply any integrating constant by any number, so it again becomes an integrating constant. So now look at the options given. After multiplying, we got this answer, tan inverse of x plus x upon 1 plus x square plus c. So the correct answer is third one. Third option is the correct answer.